Hello everyone, welcome back to e-learning. So today we are going to continue our lesson from chapter 9, unit 1. So today we go to unit 2, chapter 9, weather, unit 2, our climate. So please go to your course book on page 51. Some of your course book might have different page from mine, so please just go to find chapter 9 in unit 2, our climate. Some students book might be page 50 or maybe page 52, but my book is page 51. When you go to page 51, unit 2, you will see two pictures. You can take a look at the pictures for 1 minute. So what can you see? Do you see farmers on the rice field, and do you see the different weathers? What kind of weather is it in picture 1, and what kind of weather is it in picture 2? Just think about it. Okay, so before we get into the lesson, I would like to introduce you to some vocabulary. So I am going to give you the definitions. You are going to match the definitions with the words in the box, and please write the answers in your notebook. So what are these words? So number 1, the word means a large area of a country or of the world. Large area. Number 2, it's the weather condition in one particular area. And number 3 is one of the main periods in each year that has particular types of weather. Number 4, so when you say that you are not happy about something. For example, when you go to a restaurant and you don't like the service, so you need to tell the manager that you're not happy with the service and you want it to change. So the way you talk like this, what do we call it? And number 5 is the word that means regular, and something that happened at the same period of time. Number 6, a lot of rain that falls in a short time. And number 7, a situation when there are a lot of problems. And the last one is to suddenly feel frightened. Alright everyone, so you are going to match all of the definitions with the words in the box. So while you are doing it, you can pause this video. So please spend around 5 minutes. Okay everyone, so you must have finished it. So let's check the answer together. So number 1, a large area of a country of the world. Sorry, a large area of a country of the world, or of the world, yes. It's called a region. Okay, region. Number 2, the weather condition in one area, one particular area. And the word is climate. Climate. Number 3, one of the main periods in each year that has particular types of weather. So this is called season. Season. Number 4, To say that you are not happy about something. So when you say that, it means that you complain. So you complain about the service, you complain about the poor service. Number 5, regular, or happening at the same period of time. So this one we talk about weather. When the weather is regular, when the weather happen at the same period of time, like it used to rain a lot in June and July and August. So it means that if it happens every year, it means that it is reliable. So number 5, regular or happening at the same period of time, is reliable. So reliable weather means the weather that happen at the same period of time. Everyone, if you take a look at the situation nowadays, if you look at the day that we are living in, do you think that the weather is reliable or not? This year, June and July, do we have a lot of rain? Have you ever noticed? So our weather nowadays is not reliable at all. Because some years it rains a lot, but some years it doesn't rain. Number 6, a lot of rain that falls in a short time, it's called downpour. Be careful with your pronunciation, everyone. We pronounce downpour, not downpour. Downpour. Again, downpour. Number 7, a situation when there are a lot of problems. It's called crisis. Crisis. Number 8, to suddenly feel frightened. And this word is panics. Okay, panics. Well, everyone, these are the main vocabulary that you are going to see it in the reading text. So now please go to your book on page 51. It's the reading comprehension. So please, you are going to look at the questions. How many questions are there, everyone? I believe you see 6 questions. Number 1, when is the hottest time of the year? When is the coldest time of the year? When is rainy season and when is dry season? What brings down the temperature during the rainy season? And is the weather always reliable, and why? Guys, so these 6 questions you are going to answer by reading the text. So go to your course book, you listen to me, and you read at the same time by yourself. Please pay attention on the pronunciation. Are you ready? Let's go. Unit 2, our climate. Like all countries in the Southeast Asian region, the climate in Cambodia is hot or at least warm. The hottest month is April, when temperatures reach their highest point at midday. For farmers, this is the time when the heat makes it impossible to work in the fields, even with a hat on. The coolest months, on the other hand, are December and January, when temperatures reach their lowest point during the night. Cambodia has 2 seasons, the dry and the rainy. During the dry season, from November to April, the wind blows from the northeast and the skies are clear almost every day. During the rainy season, from May to October, the wind blows from the southwest, bringing rain almost every day. Even when it doesn't actually rain, clouds block the sun and bring down temperatures during much of the day. Clearly, the weather is not going to be the same every year. When it isn't, however, some people think that the climate must be changing. Almost every year, they either